This is the aftermath of trimming coconut trees, y'all. Battle wounds. Man, my hands are fucked up. But got it done. Now, anyone can jog safely underneath that whole line of trees. You can walk underneath it. You can lay underneath those trees without worries about nothing poking your eye out. Today to go work out. I need to lose weight and get my body tight and shape because I want to do extreme adventures, and you can't be rappelling or ziplining or parasailing or paragliding. There's a lot of extreme adventures in Mindanao. That's what a lot of people come down to this island for. And if you're not in shape, I wouldn't suggest you do any of those crazy stuff out here because there's a lot. I mean, they constantly like update all the adventure theme parks out here, adventure water parks, white water rafting. I mean, it's just insane. There's so much to do here. You can't finish it all within a month or two. It'd probably take me a year, but I need to get in shape so I can do all that. I don't want to get injured or nothing, you know. I want to enjoy myself. My bat cave, y'all. God, y'all, I haven't done walking lunges in so long. I made it halfway through and walked a little bit and did some more. One more time. I've been doing push-ups with one of my foster kids. He's got a lot of trophies from running too. Look at this kid. Even on his birthday, he's working out because he can't afford to lose the next race either. Y'all, these stairs. I'm gonna build a slide coming down this hill. We're gonna chop down these trees and make a pathway. It'll land right there. Then you can walk around the little villa, come back up these stairs, then do it again. Take the slide all the way down the hill. Rinse, repeat, recycle. Where'd the time go? I gotta get off my ass, take a shower now. I woke up at 5 o'clock, exhausted as fuck because my body's sore. But I got a whole day ahead of me. I gotta go buy 2 beds for the guest room. And then I gotta buy paint. We didn't have time last week. Oh God, the thing is, you live an hour away from any major city. That's the annoying part. But the nice thing is, out here in this small 30,000 population beach town, we ain't never got to deal with traffic. I can go to 7-Eleven, there ain't no line. I can go to the farmer's market, there's never a line. I mean, it's just convenience as fuck. I mean, there's literally no stress. That's how convenient it is. And there's a whole bunch of tuk-tuk drivers everywhere if you need a ride right away. Once a week, like clockwork, y'all. I'm so glad. We've had this maid for 2 years. She's the best. You know, my laundry gets picked up, then it comes back completely done. Once a week, like clockwork, y'all. She doesn't miss a beat.